Hello, I'm Nicholas from Chefs with Benefits. Today I have something special for you. I'm here with my friend Becky. So Becky is gonna cook for us something nice and traditional from South China. It's a very common dish. Becky?
Today we're going to be making clay pot rice with a traditional clay pot. Traditionally cooked on coal fire, but we'll be doing it at home today.
So what do we have here?
We have boneless chicken thigh, dry shiitake mushroom that's been rehydrated.
And how do we rehydrate it?
Just a little bit of water and then squeezed out. Here we have some finely chopped ginger.
Right. Can they grate it if they need to, if they're not very comfortable with a knife?
Absolutely, yep.
Alright.
And here we have some bok choy that's been finely sliced and some pre-soaked, just for about 10 minutes, jasmine rice. 300 milliliters of chicken stock. Chicken stock powder is fine or pre-made with star anise, just to give it some aromatics.
Brilliant. So let's begin.
Yeah. So first of all, let's marinate our chicken. 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce.
I'm gonna follow as well.
Yeah. 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce. This is for the salt element.
1 teaspoon and 1 teaspoon. Okay.
1 teaspoon of sesame oil.
You're gonna find all the information below in the description.
1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Okay.
Alright.
Then we have Chinese cooking wine. 1 teaspoon.
Thank you. This one is not very sweet.
No, Chinese cooking wine tends not to be sweet. It's more...
It's not like the mirin one.
No, not like a mirin. It's more of a strong alcoholic taste. Then just a dash of white pepper. Give that a mix.
Alright.
So, one more ingredient, just to tenderize and thicken the sauce while cooking, is maybe a level spoon or teaspoon of corn flour.
Alright, thank you.
Corn flour or potato starch will do. We can add some of our fresh ginger.
Okay.
If you like ginger, you can add more.
This much?
Yeah, that's good.
Ah, it smells amazing.
Smells wonderful. So now we can set that aside. Now we're going to make the sauce that's going to go on top. So it's practically the same ingredients. So we've got, but this time we will use tablespoons.
Alright.
I'll mix for
Mix
you.
for both.
Yeah. 2 tablespoons of wine.
Every pot that we have is for about 2 people, isn't
Yes, exactly.
it?
We'll do 1 tablespoon of the sesame oil as it's very strong, and we already have it in the chicken. Okay. White soy sauce, we'll do 2. Now the dark soy sauce for the colour element, and also gives it a slight smokiness, so we'll add 2 of these. And then just the 1 oyster sauce. This will add a slight sweetness and a very umami taste.
Some white pepper?
Yes, just a sprinkle. Fantastic. Give that a mix. Now we can set this aside. Now we move to the rice.
Okay.
So at this point we had a problem with the microphone, so I'm gonna continue voice overing it. So here we added the pots on the stove in medium-low heat and we brushed them with sesame oil. Then we added the soaked rice and chicken stock. We covered with the chicken stock and we brought it to boil. When it started boiling, we put on top the mushrooms, chicken and the ginger. We set it to low and we covered with a lid. We left it for about 20 minutes, checking it every now and then. We put inside the pak choy, a little bit of ginger, the sauce that we made earlier. Then we cover it again and we put over the edge some of the Chinese wine.
So, let's begin. Oh yeah.
You can always share it, or maybe not.
It's amazing. It's like 25 minutes or so, depending on how much you have inside.
You always can mix and match your meats. Like we said, you don't always have to use meat, you can always use vegetables. Tofu, lots of shiitake mushrooms, the same umami taste. Very hot.
Yeah, very hot. Very hot. It's oily there as well. Ooh. Oh, nice. You know you are gonna take one of these with you.
Oh yeah. Now I am, yeah.
Thank you so much. I
You're
love the
welcome.
technique. We have another one to eat. So I'll see you next time. Don't forget, everything is gonna be down in the description, all the steps and the ingredients. Don't forget, like and subscribe, share it with a friend of yours, and have a lovely day. Bye. Bye. Brilliant. Yeah, okay. This is like 5 minutes, right? It's amazing. It's amazing. So, this is yours. See, it wasn't that difficult, is it?
Oh, it wasn't that bad at all.
Don't you?
Only because it's you.